Here I'm in the garage, 102 degrees, even at 8 o'clock at night in the garage. Going to be changing the spark plugs out on the Goldwing, so follow along, get those taken and replaced. So on mine I've got the foot sliders, so I've got to go ahead and take those off first, and then after we do that we can go ahead and get our 6mm bolts alright along there, and that'll take that bottom cover off. Okay, once we get those 5 bolts off, just go ahead and slide that cover off, and then you can see we've got our 3 spark plugs. We'll just pull those wires off, undo the spark plugs, and then we're going to check the gap on these. Even though they came out of the box, we always want to make sure we check the gap. Make sure you hand thread in the spark plug first so you don't cross thread it, and then after put the wrench on it. So we got it, new spark plugs are in and everything's running nice and smooth.